Welcome to Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, where young minds are nurtured and future leaders are shaped. Our school is dedicated to providing a holistic education that fosters curiosity, compassion, and excellence. At Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, we believe in the power of education to transform lives. Our dedicated teachers and staff work tirelessly to create a supportive and inspiring learning environment. One of our brightest students, Musa Omary Swedi, embodies the values and aspirations of our school. Musa's passion for science and his innovative approach to learning have set him apart. Musa has developed a unique and humane approach to dissection, aiming to study the anatomy of a rabbit without causing harm. His method reflects the values of empathy and respect for life that we instill in our students.
My name is Musa Omary Swedi. I am from Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School. As you see, we want to start our dissection.
Musa ensures that the rabbit is calm and comfortable throughout the procedure. His goal is to learn while maintaining the highest standards of animal welfare. Before starting, Musa meticulously prepares his workspace, gathering all necessary tools and ensuring a clean and sterile environment. This attention to detail is crucial for both learning and safety. Musa begins with a thorough external examination of the rabbit, observing its fur, eyes, ears, and overall condition. This careful approach helps him understand the rabbit's health and anatomy before proceeding. Using a non-invasive approach, Musa makes a small incision to carefully part the skin without damaging any deeper tissues. He uses blunt dissection techniques to explore the underlying muscle and tissue structures. With great care, Musa explores the internal anatomy of the rabbit, identifying key structures such as muscles, blood vessels, and organs, all while ensuring the rabbit remains unharmed.
Now we show you the organs that there is in. As you see, this is the largest intestine. This is small intestine. This is the left kidney.
After completing his examination, Musa carefully closes the incision and ensures the rabbit is comfortable. His humane approach demonstrates his deep respect for living creatures. Musa Omary Swedi's story is a testament to the power of education, compassion, and determination. His humane approach to dissection and his dream of becoming a doctor inspire us all to pursue our passions with care and integrity.
As you see, my rabbit ameshaamka na mshono wake ndio huu hapa, na mnamuona kabisa ana nguvu, ila bado hajapona, ila masaa yake ya kuamka yamefika, na alhamdulillah upasuaji wetu umeenda salama.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. At Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, we are proud to cultivate the leaders of tomorrow.